Hi everyone, it's attorney Rachel Kelley, and I am here for another video in my biggest mistake series. So one of the biggest mistakes that I see people making in their divorce cases is that they don't ask to see the evidence. And now I'm specifically talking about when you're dealing with a divorce and you're talking about splitting up debt, splitting up property, determining a value of a house, those kinds of things. Yes, it is faster, oftentimes cheaper, if you just give up proving that the things that you're being told by your ex are true. But it's very easy to just simply say to your ex, hey, listen, you know what? I believe you that we've got $20,000 in that credit card debt, but can you just show me the statement? Like, just ask them to see the documents. Make sure that they exist, particularly if you're in a situation where there's been a history of a lack of really good communication between the two of you, where maybe there's an emotional abuse component or a verbal abuse component between the two of you. It's really important that when you're making decisions for yourself, you're making decisions based on actual facts, provable information, and not just what you're being told from the person who at the time of the divorce is really working hard to protect themselves. The best way to get divorced is for both parties to come together openly and honestly, reveal everything, and to come up with a plan that is fair. And if your spouse isn't interested in going through that process with you, it's important that you ask yourself why that might be. Because sometimes maybe someone isn't interested in going in that process with you because they're just upset, right? Maybe they weren't expecting the divorce, and so they're angry, and so they just don't want to do anything because you asked them to do it. That doesn't necessarily mean that they're hiding information, but frankly, the best way to get down to the brass tacks of whether someone's hiding information or if there's some other reason that they're not giving you information is just to simply say, I need to see it. And it's simple enough. And if you aren't getting that information, then that's when you really want to make sure that you are working with an attorney who can talk to you about the costs of finding the information and who can help you get that information through the appropriate legal processes. Thank you. I hope that this video was helpful. If you have any questions about getting divorced in Michigan, please give our office a call. We're here to help.